Are you holding what I think you're holding? Yep. We got this advent calendar at an outlet mall. Rumor on the street is that it might still be available at Walmart. A 25-day advent calendar that claims their value is $155. We got it for $43, making each day $1.72. Oh, brother. Yep, it's a nail file. At least there's some bling on it. Oh, some nail decal swirlies. Interesting, but they're gold. Keep that concept in mind. Hang on to that concept. I'm not sure how well these are really going to show up. These are apparently little gems that one can put on their nails when the nail polish is still wet. Well, at least it's bling. Oh, they gave 2 nail polishes. Yes, they did. Now remember though, each of these items we've shown you thus far is a single day. So they are expecting $1.72 for each of these items. I will say, the way they did this, yikes, I'm dropping things. These could be worn together since one is a matte shade and one is a shimmer. Yes, they could be worn together or they could be worn separately, each on their own. Yeah, but remember when I said to keep something in mind? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. How well is this? Hold on to this, Fatima. Please don't eat it. How well is that going to show up on top of this? It's not. It's going to blend in. I will give them a plus for using neutral nail polish shades. That way they can be used more than just the holiday season. Yeah, I'll give them a plus on that. So would I give you $1.72 for them? I might. Next, we have a tiny mascara. We'd tell you the size, but we can't see it in the front. I don't know if I'd give you $1.72 for this. They did, in all fairness, include a good variety of other application items. Again, though, they want $1.72 for each of the following. A sharpener for your eyebrow pencil. The eyebrow pencil. 3 brushes. And yes, these are each a separate day. These are a decent soft foam. This thing that they call a brush, I've touched sandpaper that is not as rough. No. Oh, it's gonna get me. And a little hair clip for doing your makeup. Good concept. You don't see this in many calendars. I gotta give them props for thinking of that, but just one? We have a neutral to pink toned lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. Again, these are each a day. I might give you the $1.72 for the lip gloss. And we have another, in a different shade, lipstick and lip gloss. Red for the holidays. I'm dropping things again. And neutral for the non-holidays. So they're thinking ahead. That not everyone wants to wear red every day and can make some of this be useful after the holiday season. So I gotta give them credit for that, but I mean, this is 0.24 fluid ounces for the lip gloss, which, yeah, I kind of like red for the holidays, so I might be tempted to give you, it's going to be $1.72 twice, but for the red, I might be tempted. How about you? Let us know down below. What do you think so far? Inquiring Carol's went to know. They gave us a quad of lip product also. Kinda seems redundant if you ask me. Me too. Seems redundant. This is a Moonlit Glow highlighter. Okay, it's bound to show up in a beauty calendar that you're gonna get a highlighter. And it is bound to show up that there will be a bronzer. And a blush. We have 4 eyeshadow quads. I have to say, I'm pleased that the way they set up each quad is sort of one eye look. So it gives you what you need to make a complete eye look with the 4. So we have this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Now, this poor little guy had a palette poof, but we were able to fix it with a few drops of rubbing alcohol, so we think we've got it so we can at least use it a little bit. Because I gotta say, it's the one with the shimmer. Hey, we like bling. And I'm going to do swatches in a little bit. And day 25, rolling in at 0.39 of an ounce of bronzer. Yeah, the big finale is a bronzer, but they already gave us a bronzer. Huh. I want to do swatches. Okay. Being that the palettes had a little palette poof problem, Fatima's just gonna dance for you for a minute, and then we'll show you the swatches that she made. Overall, very nice job in the swatching and the dancing department. Thank you. I like to swatch and I like to dance. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty and some of our final thoughts. And don't forget to let us know what you thought. Yeah, $1.72 a day for each of those items. I don't think so. Some of them, yes. All of them? No way, Jose. What would you change if it was up to you? Good question. I think some of the things I would change is that lip palette, the quad. I don't think we really needed that. I would have swapped that and one of those, that horrible brush. I would have swapped out those two for a small hand lotion or a small lip balm. The small bronzer, if the big bronzer is going to be your big finale, then why give us a small bronzer? Give us another blush in a different shade to make it more versatile. Is this value their $155 stated value? I think we said no. And if we didn't, no. No. There is no way. What did you think? Let me know. And thank you for taking the time to watch this. And happy holidays. And like, comment. Be sure you're subscribed. We've got a lot of different advents. I don't want to say this one was bad. We just have a lot of different variety of advents. Mostly, I think all but one are beauty items. We tried to find a little something across the spectrum. We like to see what's out there. This one might still be available either at Outlet or at Walmart. Do a internet search for Sunkissed Advent Calendar and see if you can find it if you're interested in what we've presented today. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. You know the routine. We hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.